Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some easy decor for a sewing room. I'm using some antique items that I got from my grandmother. These were passed down to me, and a lot of them are from a sewing kit from 1946 that my grandfather got for her. I think it's kind of funny because she made a little note on there, and if you knew my grandma, she's pretty practical, and it was kind of interesting that she left a note. I don't know that she had any other gifts that she's received labeled, so I'm kind of curious what the motivation was of labeling that. Kind of laughed. I was wondering if maybe she was upset about the gift or if it was just a really special gift. Either way, I used the shadow box and added a lot of these items. I'm going to show you exactly how I added them. It's a pretty simple project, and a lot of it's just layout. So as you can see, I've got quite a few supplies here, including a bunch of measuring tapes and a photo I wanted to add. So I started out by gluing in some major items that I knew where I wanted them placed. Large items needed to go kind of at the bottom, and the photo I glued on. Kind of had some regrets about using glue there, but it worked. I cut a bunch of these measuring tapes up so I could use them as a border and glued those around the photo. It was a little tricky. The glue was pretty hot and I wasn't sure if it would melt anything. It was not perfect, for sure. I also glued on some buttons and other items around to just add a little bit of extra, I don't know, attractiveness to it. And pins worked pretty well for pinning on some items. Like I pinned the note that she wrote that said it was from my grandpa in 1946. And I glued on some items like this that, I didn't care if they got destroyed a little bit. And again, I just kind of messed around and placed things and decided what I wanted to keep or get rid of, what wouldn't fit. Anyway, so that is pretty much the whole project. Not a lot going on there, but it was super fun and it was a great item to display on my wall in my she shed. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.